phone call from a subscriber of ours who watch the program who really want to help out with what I'm doing in TrenchTown. You know, and he said they're gonna give me some bags of groceries as well to give out as well to the TrenchTown. But because he was in Sustenance side, Discovery Bay, like he watch the program in Sonia as well too, you know, and he said he wanna drop off a box of groceries for Sonia as well too if I'm down here. And what's that car there? But so said, so done, you know. I was in the same area, I was in Sustenance same area like now. And him called me and I told him, say, yeah, well, let's link up so we can drop off the grocery for Sonia. You know, and one man say, because where he was getting some groceries, the me and D, Mwango, she was getting some groceries. And then one man said, let's call her to see where she is because the guy says he's going to meet me at Sharky's. So one man said, call her. So when I call her now, she was literally in the same area in Sustenance Bay where was getting the groceries. So when I called her, she said, oh, she's across the road from where I am. So was thinking that I was going to go back to Sharky's, meet the guy and then go back to Sonia. So if I never call her, that's what would have been happening. I mean, I go all the way to Sharky's and go to Sonia's house and she's not there. And then if I call her, she's gonna say, oh, she's in Sustenance Bay. How bad would that be, D?
Yeah.
Imagine that. So it's a good thing sometimes you have to listen to the spirit mind when the spirit mind talks, you know, because always speaking. So said, so done. Guess who I've got with me? Sonia. So Sonia is here with us, you know. Sonia, you want to say hi to all your extended family, which is called
extended family,
which is the donors. Then we call them extended families, you know, because we don't call them donors because they are family.
Yeah.
You know, and we have Sonia here, you know, and Sonia was at the Jamaica National, right?
Yes.
She was there to pick up some funding from one of our subscribers that donate to her. So she'd have to cut that short, and then here she are with us, you know, one and only Sonia. So Sonia, so is everything so far?
Everything is okay so far.
Yes. So you get any support from them time?
Yes. I have a few of them that called.
Okay. So that's good. God is blessing, right?
Yes.
Christmas look good.
Yes.
Hey.
It's bright and beautiful.
It says bright and beautiful. Rice and peas on table with chicken. Yeah, your husband living nice. You know, I will give thanks to our extended family. You know, we thank you so much for blessing Sonia. You know, as I said, the way it happens, we never expect it to be turned out to be like this because Sonia was just walking and I was walking by, you know, doing my normal walk and video and I end up speaking. And doing so, look at us now, you know, with all the blessings that she's getting now, you know, we give thanks. And it even comes at the right time, you know. Christmas time as well, to where she's mostly needed. Kind of nice when rice and peas are cooked, you're not cooking any without it, Sonia.
Yes.
It's not. So we are now waiting to go meet these viewers, you know, subscriber of ours. You know, we got a bag of groceries for Sonia. Go on, don't kill yourself though. Yeah, we're here with Dee.
Hi guys.
So
hopefully you're good.
So imagine that if we never call Sonia, we'd have go all the way to CLM to drop off the grocery and she's not here. How disappointed would that be? But maybe that's what it meant to be if it did happen like that, right? So it never happened like that, so that means that that's how it never meant to be. So it's a good thing the spirit mind said, call her before. I'm gonna call her and she's right literally in front of me across the road in the Jamaica National. So all I could just say, come cross the road, Sonny, I'm right here. And we are here now on the journey. So what I would do, I would take her there to get the grocery, drop her off, and then bring her back to where she was. So she can continue collecting her Christmas package. Yes guys, so we are on the way to Salem. So we're not far away, probably about 5 minutes or less.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then what I'ma feel. Want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Yeah.
God bless you, my brother. Bless you.
Yeah, man.
D.
Yes. Hi.
Empress, how you doing?
Good, good.
God bless you. God
Thank you
bless
so much.
Imagine.
I can't look. I can't stop watching you guys.
Yeah.
Honestly. Oh, this is the lady. God bless you. God bless you. She came.
Imagine now, guess what happened?
Yeah.
When I told you we're down there getting some stuff, so
Yeah.
one man said, call her to see where she is. And was down there buying, he was buying some groceries. So when I
Yes.
called her, she was literally across the road from me.
This is God.
Yeah, so if
This
we did
is
come
God.
now,
Yeah.
she wouldn't be here.
Right.
You know,
right,
so when I call her and
right.
say, oh, I'm in this cup, no, Sentence Bay.
Right.
But I said, I'm in Sentence Bay as well too. And she said, yes, where? I'm saying, I'm at Bravo Street.
Oh my God.
And she said, you're across the street from me then.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know,
yeah,
and
yeah,
look, because I would have come down here and then now
You would have missed.
with a mister because she
Connection.
was all the way there. And it meant to happen like that so at least you can see her
Yes.
in
yes,
person.
Yes. Perfect connection.
You know, and
Perfect
drop off the groceries. So
yes.
give them your name.
Tyrone.
So this is Tyrone.
Yes.
You know, we have Tyrone here and
That's
his-
Sophia.
I'm
right over
Sophia.
there.
and Sophia.
Nice to meet
You know.
You make me feel like I should go back to my short hair.
Oh, she's representing
I
for the
know.
short here. And Tyrone is a viewer, a subscriber of the program,
Yes.
and you watch
Yes,
it and you like what I'm doing.
That's
and
right. That's right. That's
I can explain to them what was the idea and everything with the groceries then.
Yes.
Because when you reach out.
All right. So basically, what we do, we've been doing this from 2018.
Wow.
So we charity organization as Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so basically,
Helping people.
yes, and that's our logo actually. Our
Yeah.
motto is helping people find their way.
Yeah.
So we do like groceries, school supplies, backpacks, and all that kind of stuff. We also do scholarship funds, clothes, and all of that kind of stuff. So it's a whole bunch of stuff that we do. I've been doing it from 2018 straight,
Yeah.
right? And we have not stopped, and we will not stop by the grace of God. So
Yes.
God has given us this idea and told us to go with it. So we'll just keep running with it from about 2018 until now.
Yeah.
That's basically what it is. You know what I mean? So when I saw Kino program, I've been watching Kino for a while, you know.
Yeah.
And I've been watching D for a while, so I've been watching the brother for a while.
Okay, so you've
So,
been
you
watching
know,
everyone for a
yeah.
while.
So I feel like there's a
Connection.
connection.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And I kind of see your heart, and I see what you guys are doing. So we say, well, let's partner. It's time to do it.
Yeah.
So we do. All right. So we bring 2 boxes. Well, actually, this wouldn't be 1, but it end up being 2.
Yes.
So Kino, this basically, this box you see here, that's what gonna be in the boxes that you're gonna be getting tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, so this is basically what the box is like, but this is just an addition of some other stuff that we
Other
brought.
stuff.
Yeah, so we brought some other stuff for the lady here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, guys, he's gonna give me some bucks to also give out for in TrenchTown.
That's right.
You know, so I have to make my way tomorrow to get back to TrenchTown to meet one of these. Are you gonna be there?
I'll try, but I'm not 100% sure. But they represent us here because we're actually from Canada. But they represent
Yeah.
us.
So my representative will represent them, you know, who's also here in Jamaica. So I have to make my way back to TrenchTown tomorrow for them to do the presentation to give me a couple of these bags. I don't know how much it's going to be.
About 20 or so.
Oh, so about 20 bags. So it's going to be 20 lucky person tomorrow.
That's
you
right.
know, going to be getting some groceries. We're Santa. We're delivering the gifts them tomorrow. Right? So
Yeah.
we'll give thanks. So we appreciate,
Yes,
you know,
man.
it's really a blessings.
Yes.
And Sonia, You know, this is your box, as you can see. So go on.
Yeah, what I was saying, I was going to tape it, but I wanted you to see first before I actually tape it. Usually we tape it before we give it away, but I wanted you to see what's in it. You know, we can't just give you a box, we have not before and then you got the box. But you don't know what's in it.
Next thing in it is a grenade in there. You know, so this is what's in there. You know,
and that's what you'll be getting tomorrow.
Yeah, it's really lovely. You know, this is more than a gifted package for them. And these are the additional stuff, right?
Additional stuff for mom, yeah.
Okay. So, see, you get the blessed package.
Yes, I see.
You know, so this is Tyrone. You can tell him thanks.
God bless you, mommy. God bless you. I saw the program and I was touched.
Yes.
And I said, well, I want to come here. We have to do something. So it was even nice actually meeting you two in person. You know what I mean? So this is wonderful. It just worked perfect.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And how's
perfect.
hubby?
It's not too bad.
Not too bad. That's good. That's
It's
good.
at home.
Yeah. Anything that he needs in specific, like, you know, I know he's not well and all of that. Is there something that he really, really needs? Like, what is his needs?
Yeah. That one. Medication or so.
Medication.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you can communicate through Kino, and we'll try to see how we can.
Alright, we can just exchange our number because
that
remember
can work.
I'm always in Kingston.
Yes.
So it's best if you can communicate like how it's
I'm gone in a week, in a few
in a
weeks.
way.
But the same thing, yeah. So
Yeah.
I could take your number and
She has WhatsApp?
Yeah, she's on WhatsApp and everything. Cause that's so the other donors them contact her because she got WhatsApp and she can collect. So we want to thank all our extended family, all the donors them that reach out to Sonia. You know, we want to thank her so much for blessing her. And she said she got a lot of blessings and she want to thank her so much, you know, because she really appreciates it. As what she said before in the car, she said, oh, Christmas is looking well beautiful and bright. So she can cook her rice and peas and chicken for she and her husband, right, Dee?
Yeah, that
It's
is it.
That is it, very beautiful. So Dee, you saw your hairstyle, now you want back yours, right?
Yeah.
So you're rocking the confidence right now. So she have to go get back hers. Let's see if Dee's gonna get back to that later.
Not now.
She's heading towards the Rasta system right now, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a Rasta. And this is lovely. So tomorrow I'll be giving out all of this. You know, let's say helping people, you know, beyond will and covenant.
Oh, you saw yeah, they just came in. Yeah. And they're amazing, you know. Fellas is great. Having all that team, managing the whole team, everything. Wow.
I'm watching them the night before. And then I
Yeah, man. So
Again, Kino, keep up the work, brother. No stop. Keep it up, and I'm
stop.
serious, man.
Yeah, man.
See your heart.
Yeah.
Continue to do what you're doing. And Dee,
Thank
you
you.
put Jamaica higher on the map. All right.
Yeah, I love this country so much.
Yes. All right.
I definitely won't stop, you know what I'm saying? It's already in the art, you know, it's something that was meant to be doing, you know, so we cannot derail from the blessings and our art. Everyone have a purpose.
Yes.
And we have to serve our purpose. We have
That's
to figure out what's our purpose, and then from there now we have to do it.
That's right.
So this is what I get more adrenaline from doing,
Yes.
you know, from
Yes,
anything
yes.
else. So I think this is my part,
Yeah, man.
you know. So once I got health and strength,
You're moving and doing
I
it.
will definitely carry on the journey. And when the Almighty said, Kino,
That's it.
pack your bag, that's it, you know.
You're going up.
Yes, so I'll be definitely continue the journey. So what we'll do, I will collect this for her
All right.
and take it run by the house where
yes,
she
yes,
and her
yes.
husband is.
All right.
You know, so you're gonna tape it?
You want me to tape it still? Or?
Yeah, you can tape it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so you wanna take out, is that soap inside here?
Yeah.
Put the soap over in that one. So it don't, the bread don't catch it. Such a lovely care practice, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, practice. By the way, the Almighty work this out. Imagine me come here, pick up the box, call Sonia. Sonia, I not even call her. I was gonna just turn up to her doorstep. And when I turn up, she's not there. And then when I do call her, she's gonna say, "Oh, Kina, I'm in Sentence Bay." I'm like, Sonia, I'm at your door. You know? And Tyron would have dropped the box off and say, Kino, blah blah blah, and then it's gone.
Yeah.
Without meeting Sonia.
Yeah, that's
You know?
That's
And without meet is your wife, right?
Yeah.
You say work perfect ways, man. That's what
Perfect.
the Almighty works. The spirit mind said call her. And I call her.
Alright, let me carry this to the car.
Alright, so you can just walk with us with that one Tyrone over by the car then.
Okay.
Alright then.
And
So.
nice meeting you guys.
Alright, so it was
Bye.
nice meeting you. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, my dear.
Good to
All
meet
the
you.
best for the season.
All right. Say hello to your husband.
Yes, okay.
Alrighty.
Alright. So that is it, guys. Oh, blessing, how wonderful that is, you know. So Sonia, I guess you don't have to do too much shopping.
No.
You know, you got some grocery to work with. Yes. Just buy a chicken and you're good. The guys we here at Sharky's, we was here yesterday and we're here again today.
So where's the deal? That is it.
That
All
is
right.
it. Man, respect, brother, man.
Yeah,
you
man.
know,
Go to
respect. Brother, I say, Tyrone, say, you're doing God work here,
Yeah,
you
man.
know. We're not gonna stop.
That's right.
It's
That's
on our journey
That's right.
and we have to continue the path, right?
That's right, brother.
Righteousness.
Listen, we'll be in touch.
Yeah, man.
All right,
every
take
time.
care.
Yes, guys, so you see, we give thanks to Tyrone, you know. The same thing that we're doing, the same blessings that we share. So blessed love to all. We're gonna take Sonia home now, you know, so she can drop off that boxes. Oh, go on. Here, a key now, you know. Come there. Man say a key now, you know. Our husband. Thank you so much, Dee. Being a gentle lady. It said the meshing up starts.
Yes.
We give thanks. So this is mesh now. Greetings, uncle.
Around there.
All is well.
Glad to see you, man.
Yeah, man. I'm glad
How
to
your
see.
friend?
I'm good, man.
Okay.
In there back in Portland side now. That's Shane.
Shane, yeah.
Yeah, Shane. So I bring a care package for you, some grocery, you know.
Thank you.
You know, cause imagine that. But sorry, you never get to meet the person, you know. But
Sure you go, man.
yeah, so next time. So how you feeling?
Mommy met them.
Yes. How you feeling though?
Not too bad, you know, man. They walk on the grave.
He's been saying that he's walking on the grave. You know, cause I'm saying this is where we shall go back
Yeah.
to dust. You know, it's the grave. Yes, Sonia. So you wanna thank all the donors then
Yes,
that reach.
I appreciate it so much for what all you people doing for me. And thank you because God is good.
Yes.
He always work out things
Yes.
and it's wonders to perform. So
Yes, I will give thanks to the Almighty, you know.
and thank you because if it wasn't for you, nobody would.
All glory leads to the Almighty, you know. So if it wasn't for Him,
Yeah, man.
you know, I'm just serving. I'm the servant.
Yes.
So He's using me, right, for doing the righteousness, not wrongfully. You know, because this is what we stand for, righteousness. So it's only righteousness He's using me for, and I'm the servant. So once I can serve, I will serve. You know, I thank our extended family so much. I thank all the donors, them thank you so much for reaching out to this wonderful husband and wife. You know, we thank you so much. It's been a blessing to them. I'm say like now you're keeping off the mosquitoes now,
Yes.
so you start to the mesh up.
Yes.
You know, we like that. You know, we like that.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna take you back to where you was, so you
Yeah.
can go and
Finish.
finish what you're doing.
Those doing.
Yeah.
And then hear the birds.
The birds them.
Nice to meet you.
Them ask me what kind of birds I have
Oh, okay.
because them hear the birds.
Oh, it's
Pigeons.
no, it's Barbadove, right? It's called a Barbadove. Dove. These are doves. Very nice to eat, but you cannot eat them.
Why?
You're not supposed. Alright, these birds them say chased away spirits. That's what them said, right?
I don't know.
That's what Shane said. These birds chased away spirits. You know, these were the same birds that was in what's it called, St. Thomas.
Daddy, see you later.
Alright, then your uncle.
Yes, it's here.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Thank you.
Alright. So over here, sweet potato D. This is our pure sweet potatoes.
Wow.
Me and Shane will report some the other day for her. But I guess it's all finished now. All done. Oh, cherry D. Oh, che.
Wow, they've been falling down.
Yeah.
Cherry on the ground. Sonny don't eat them.
No.
They normally make juice with them as well.
Make
so.
juice for them. That's it. Agree with my stomach.
Oh, a cherry season now?
Yes.
Christmas time, a cherry season, right?
Yeah.
Yes, cherry and sorrel. Cherry juice and sorrel juice. Pull it. Pull it. Do you like the green ones, MD?
All of them.
Green one, them.
You ever these?
No.
No, we only get them. Kino doesn't know.
And sure, I know she like the sour stuff.
Okay.
But even yeah, if you eat them when you like same nice same. That's why. Thank you so much, Sonia. Thank you. For them big planting already yet? How far you are that? Them planting there?
That's somewhere else.
That's next door.
Next door. Some big planting.
Not already yet, man.
Already yet.
Let's have a long way.
Alright then, thank you. Let's hit the road. Yes guys, so we're gonna head back down towards Ochi. So we're gonna drop off Sonia now on the way. I would thank you so much for supporting Sonia. You know, it's mean the world to us. You know that we're doing great stuff together, you know. I would thank Tyrone so much and his wife for dropping off this care package. So guys, I have to be heading back to TrenchTown tomorrow to meet his representative, his team. They're gonna bring some of those boxes to TrenchTown for me to give out tomorrow. So that's the mission for me tomorrow. So I have to head out early so I can meet them so we can do the presentation of giving out these groceries. You know, so we thank Tyrone and his team so much. Thank you for helping, and we're not gonna stop helping. You know, so blessed love to all. Blessed love. Hungry. That's what they did there. Sweet 48 48 to little garage. That tastes fresh.
Yeah, and good.
At least I can't buy.
Lifestyle and the mango.
Ah, big up my general.
Oh, go on. You see me sit down in Brooklyn and watching all the while.
Yeah.
And I say me going to link it up when we reach forward.
And see what they are now.
I say a word, brother.
Thank you so much.
You know, I get away to Ochi side.
And that side they may go still in about them. Not even know. But I flex with it a little bit, but me dey on my whole flex right now, brother.
Yeah.
You understand? I can't allow it right now. But large we see the eye them. Keep up the good work. You
Just
see me?
show to man, because you know you have the number.
No, say a word.
Yeah, man.
The mango, big up yourself.
you.
All the way from Africa.
Alright then, big up, big up. Well. Blessed love. Good morning. I know, hope you have a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, sad news is, you know, obviously in the video yesterday where we've given some groceries, you know, to Sonia. You know, we thank so much from Tony. You know, Tony, thank you so much for the groceries. So, you know, he's got his team here, same way in Jamaica, who I'm gonna meet up today back in TrenchTown to collect some boxes of groceries as well to give out today down there. So today I have to make a quick splash to TrenchTown, you know, to hand out those groceries and to meet his team for the presentation, you know. So I will be there, you know, handling some charity works, and then I will be back here within a flash, you know. So you know, so the work I have to continue, so I have to be there and I have to be here. So I have to go back to start this duty out, you know, to get this thing over the line, you know, help out the less fortunate, let them get some care package for them Christmas, making them feeling merry, you know. I would say Merry Christmas, you know, having a happy new year, and have a wonderful day. Don't eat too much over the festive season, right? Don't gain too many pounds, but eat as much, then after you get washed out. Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. So now I'm going to take you on a journey here to go giving out these care package to the less fortunate them here in TrenchTown, you know, having a wonderful Christmas. So have a blessed day, have a wonderful Christmas anywhere you are. Remember guys, put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Remember, Kino Life in Jamaica. So let's take you on the journey now to TrenchTown. Yes guys, so take you on the journey to TrenchTown.
Bag them go and see me so.
Yeah, see me now give them one. I'm not ready to see.
I'm going to stay in the sink then.
No, I'm going to go and stay in the sink. Yeah. Mama. You have some people. Prefect. There are some people are coming some box of grocery. Who?
Dog dead, man.
Which dog? Max?
Yeah, dog, the police boy, I'm looking there, so.
No, I'm in the hard there, and they don't even stop, you know.
Yeah, man, police boy and breather. Maxine come tell me a while ago, it's a bag of put this and put him in there.
Just to give a small burial, you know.
Yeah, George, pay bury him.
Dear pen.
Yeah, George, when I go funeral?
No, I'm just, you know, sir. I mean, tell Carl said there, someone just to drive the back. But if I go down dash for Max Berry and just put a look for him in there, no.
Next 2 days, the man, Marg.
So, police, wait a minute, last night?
No, man, one night, man.
3 days back, but I spray the thing there on him. Score, but I have.
Oh.
But I don't like that.
Okay, so if you get a cut.
And the body almost swell up on the bars.
Alright, this is when him just get the lick, you know, saying now go.
Yeah.
See him there. The next day, I say, wait. Oh, Max a walk, so.
Yeah.
Man, call him and I scream. You know, once you start the scream, I go push.
Yeah, yeah.
This man, me see me now, from me see me now, say.
Something
Still
right.
scream, still. But my Ben start, sometimes, them alarm and they want to tell the dog they in the road and you can't.
Man, Max, man.
Make the dog come out of the road.
And when the man them run over it, you know, I sit down there and I hear the book through the car.
Yeah.
I can't see what going on, sure, and the this and I say, Max in the car, let me look and see. The man drive and I say, I left.
John was the. Of course, yo, you know what I'm been on the whole viewers, them are going to vex people. John was there, here what going. Is it me? The police jeep run over our dog Max. You know? Can't believe I just reached now in TrenchTown, yeah. And look, I hear on the sad news, Max gone. You know? So burial.
If we report them police that will run over Max.
No. Yo, Officer Lawman, come on, man. You could have beep your arm and make the dog get up out of the road or something. You see, exactly, them not protect nobody, man. When them run over dog, so yeah, it's like you get the lick and then like days after now, like 2 days after now.
3 days since it happened.
3 days. Yes, 3 days now.
Succumb the injury, you know?
Yeah.
Terrible injury. Wish me, show me see him move. The day when it happened, I said, Max, you know you go over for this. So I look for him and I scream. But the next 2 days when I see him, I said, John, no.
Looking worse,
so nothing him now eat. So you know, say, you see me?
Yeah.
I never like that. But everybody say nothing, you know, because they say nothing to them. It's like a problem.
Yeah. Because they're going to say them alarm and this and that and rare and John was there. Our Max is gone, people. Reaching TrenchTown, Max. We are here, so Max passed away. You know. She's supposed to reach by now. When long time man?
Yeah.
Oh, she probably reached by now because I talked to her about half an hour ago.
Okay.
She probably reached by now. Because we have some people who come drop off about 20 bucks of groceries in a day and them two come still. Because they get the photo man and thing to come take photos and them put thing there. I would just give them all the same time. You know, call it a day. No man, in that area. I will also have about 20 bag of chicken as well too. 20 chicken as well too. Single ones. I will have some rice as well, so. Aisle. So we'd have to sort. It's either we'd have to do that another time, because we'd have to go bag out the rice and thing. You know, so we'd have to probably do that at a different time from this one. Because this one now we can walk and give out this one, then after now we start to bag out the rice and the aisle and anything like that. That will take more time to do that.
The aisle in the back is small.
Yeah, so we'd have to bag out the rice and things. Yeah, if I just rice we could have bag out. Yeah, we could have bagged them out then and give them out. Yeah. Yeah.
3 pound bag alone supposed to have in there.
Yeah, the rice in there?
Yeah, the rice in there. I'm supposed to have some bag in there.
Let me see the rice. Big. Let me see the rice, yeah. So we have a big bag of rice here. So now we have chicken. 2 big bag of chicken.
Yeah, big bag in there.
Yeah, it's a big. That big? It's bigger than that. How much that?
2 pound bag.
Yeah, it's bigger than that. So, well. So, Tyrone, blessings Tyrone, big up yourself. So, you know, so I have to also give thanks to Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, you know, for they just arrived, you know, for contributing 20 bucks of grocery, you know, for us to give out to the elders here in TrenchTown. So it's called Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, you know, which is spreading the love and everything. So Tyrone will give thanks, you know, as you guys saw him in the video yesterday, giving Sonia the groceries, you know, and so they extend the helping hand also here in TrenchTown, you know, which is we're gonna give out some groceries today, some boxes of groceries, you know. So it's Beyond the World Covenant Ministry, you know, that's the team of them, you know. Tyrone is based overseas, but him also have a team also here in Jamaica doing the same wonderful work that we are doing, you know. So we give thanks for your Tyrone and your team, you know. As I say, if he was watching the program and see what we are doing, and in this time say want to be on board and help out a situation same way, and we really appreciate that, you know. So we give thanks for Beyond the World Covenant Ministry, you know. It's really a blessing. We thank you so much for joining on board, helping out the less fortunate and the needy here in TrenchTown. So what a wonderful time it will be in the Christmas season, you know, everyone getting a care package, you know, where you can help out a situation, you know, which is a blessing. So we thank you so much and everything for all our, you know, support. So guys, so stay tuned, you know, we're gonna introduce them to the program, you know, and the photo man is also on their way. So let's stay tuned. Remember guys, like before watching, put the thumbs up, Yeah, so well, so we're back again and we're here now, we're here now with Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministries. You know, we have to also give thanks to Tyrone as well too, you know. We already met him yesterday, you know, and handing that box of groceries to Sonia in Salem. So, you know, we have some of our members, them is here as well too, and the photo man just arrived, you know, you see the time. Alright, photo man just arrived. You got yourself, photo man. So we have Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry representative. We have
Shernet.
We have Shernet here representing for Beyond the Wall, and we have Courtney. Yeah. You know, representing, you know. So Tyrone is still in Salem, you know, in St. Anne, so he could get to be here today. So we have the photo man set up. So photo man, I think we'll just go right behind that shop down here, so. Yeah, cause we'll take out the box then, so we have a more clear space, so the box then can be there in the photos as well too. Right, so
we could just drive, go down there, make it easier, and take out the box.
Yeah, so we could just drive, go down there and make it easier. Alright, so come over this side. So you want help with that?
Yeah, let us set up the camera now.
Yeah.
Can just carry this in and then.
Alright then. Yeah. Alright, light park. Bring this field then. So we have light park, we have some of the members then here. Come Joe Barker. So when you don't move, you're not going to go into a box of groceries as well, yeah? I'm giving you 2 boxes of groceries, yeah?
We must move?
Yeah, I'm handing 2 boxes of groceries. After we finish the presentation, yeah?
Thank you.
Alright. So yes guys, so we give thanks to Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. So we just want to go further down, you know, where we can get some more clearance space for taking the photo. Because we couldn't do it outside the shop, because you can see there's some blocks here and there's a vehicle here, you know. Come on. There's a vehicle here, it says the shop was kind of black up. So we're going to do it right around the corner, you know, even though it would be nice to do it right here, you know. So we're going to do it right around here behind the corner, or we can put the box then along this shop right here. Yeah, now we have to take them out, man, so the photo, we can take the photo with them, okay, you know, with the box them with them again. So so yes guys, so my mistake, it was this 15 boxes of groceries, you know, because they're not, and they handed out some more original. So we want to give thanks for Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, you know. So
Yeah, make him set up first.
yeah.
Could you excuse us a second, Patrick?
No, make him set up.
Oh, set up first.
No, you could just go and take them out. Yeah, we can rest them out. Go take them out. Rest them.
If someone's gonna sleep at our house, I need to
Rest them in front, baby, so we can stand behind the box then. Put them yeah. So we can stand then. Yeah, turn the other way. So we can stand up behind the box. Put them on top, let them kind of eye up, so the photo can set them on top.
van one day. Show you them and them pass through. When them get the box, you know, time to soap now them.
I'm turning it really. Yeah. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So it's 15 bucks. Yeah, so it's Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, right? So yeah, so we have to give thanks for Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, you know, for giving a helping hand. We're joining on board, helping out the Dream Team program, doing the great work that we're doing here in TrenchTown, you know, because them is a subscriber watch the program and see what we're doing. So I met I think the founder already in Sentence because I was down there. So he already handed one box to the lady who wants to sit on the program. Her name is Sonia, you know, so she got a box as well too yesterday, you know. So here we're going to give out to the less fortunate, and we have to thank them so much, you know. So Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, you know, we just want to thank them individually. Prefect us give them a thanks and big up Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
Give thanks to the groceries, to the elders, to them. Yes, at least someone I think about them same way. Yes, they don't know. Dream Team I do for them work. I appreciate love everyone else who come on board to do the right thing. So bless up, one love. We share a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes.
Yeah.
Bless up.
Alright, so Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. Blessings to you all, and may your food basket never empty. And thanks to come on board to help out the less fortunate. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And we have Boom, Rasta Messi, Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, blessed and one love. Thanks for the work we are doing.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, Happy Christmas.
Yes. Light Park.
Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. Yeah, man, blessed man, it's a blessing and a good look. I like the good work, just continue. I like how you come on board and do the right thing, help out the unfortunate people who need it mostly. Yeah man, Merry Christmas man, Happy New Year. Yeah man, and to all our subscribers out there, and just link and add to it. Yeah man, add to it man. That is it.
And we have it is Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. Covenant Ministry. Thank you very much for what you have done for all the ladies them. So give God thanks and open the Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year's.
Alright then, so. Whoa, Chef. Whoa. Beyond the Wall
Ministry.
Covenant Ministry.
Only for blessing enough love, you know. Like come here and say, you know. Last year, I get to put it out as well want it. But this year I do it now, man, you know.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Alright then, so Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. Many love, many respect. Thank you very much for the support. Merry Christmas and a wonderful year. This year is coming. God bless you all and thank you very much.
Yeah. Yes. No shy in what you're doing. So right now we are break that today. We're breaking that chain and we have Esther Campbell here, Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
Thanks, Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, for the gifts that you're giving to the less fortunate. I really appreciate it.
Okay, so we give thanks for Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. You know, we thank you so much for coming on board. You know, it's more than a blessings. Like our Dream Team always said, teamwork make the dream work. So you coming on board now, joining the team, it only can be greater things ahead. You know, and we already spoke yesterday and you tell me about a brighter future, which is we're looking forward to that. You know, kids are gonna smile, more people are gonna smile. You know, but is that everything good for talk? Good for eat, good for talk. So we're not say it yet to when time it manifest, but it's gonna happen. I will give thanks. I will thank you so much. We'll give them a round of applause, please. We have younger Dennis. Come here, younger Dennis. So we have to thank Beyond the Wall.
Morning.
Alright, so come over side. So we have to thank Beyond the Wall
Behind the wall.
Covenant Ministry.
Covenant
For
Ministry.
helping out the less fortunate with these box of care packages, groceries and stuff.
Okay, again, good morning. Bless up to our family, them, the donor, them. Most of all, bless up God. Bless up Kino himself to make this possible. Man of a heart. You understand? Anyway, thank the donor, them, for the donation. Very helpful.
Yes.
Beyond the wall.
Covenant Ministry.
Covenant Ministry. Big word that, no joking word. Serious business. Of course, Covenant Ministry, a big thing, man.
Yeah.
Bless up and give God thanks. You understand? Yeah, man.
Give them a round of applause again, please. So we have been here, we're breaking that chain. And I will give thanks. I will say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Oh, so Jenna reach there. Run, come Jenna. Forward. Before the plane take off. You have your passport? Killer, we are the first man I get a box, Joe Barker. You are the first man I get a box, but you're there, right hand spot. First man in town, mister. Come in, Jenna. So Jenna, so we're giving us some care package to the less fortunate them. We have to give thanks to Beyond the Wall, Covenant Ministry. They come on board helping out the dream team for the good work that we're doing, so we give thanks. So inside the box, this is what we got. Come look. So this is what we have inside the box. But we have bread, Lasco, we have sugar, we have some thin stuff. Right. So this is Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. So Jella, thank Beyond the Wall.
Thanks Beyond the Wall.
Covenant Ministry.
Covenant Ministry. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Thank you for everything you have done. Alright.
Yeah. So today we are partnering with him by donating some grocery boxes, which he's gonna give to the less fortunate. And would like to show you, some of the contents that is in the box. So we have bread, sanitary napkin, tissue, toothpaste, sugar, rice, cornmeal, flour, crackers, Lasco, oats, tin milk, corned beef, and shake out. Along with oil.
Flash out.
Flash out,
Yeah,
okay, flash out.
Yes, so these are the basics.
Alright, so these are the contents along with a bath soap, so essential stuff. So we hope these boxes will go a far way to help the less fortunate, the needy.
Yeah.
Alright, so welcome big brother, welcome. On board. Yeah. One love.
Thank you so much as well.
Yeah.
It's been a blessing because Dream Team representing for a team.
Yes.
As I would say, Dream Team.
Make the dream work.
Make the dream work.
Yes.
So once on board as well, they only can get to greater stuff.
Amen.
And for you for sitting down and Tyrone, I could also give thanks to Tyrone.
Yes.
For watching the work that we're doing because I never believe and see the art that what we're doing. So in Marshall said, he want to come on board to play that huge part because in life what we're doing.
Yes.
Because it's not far off from what the Almighty is doing, right?
Amen.
So we are a servant of the Almighty.
Right.
Not less fortunate.
Yes.
So if everyone can play a part, like coming on board and help out a situation same way,
life will be better.
Just imagine what could happen.
Yes.
I would thank you so much,
You're
reaching
welcome.
out, that phone call at first day,
Yes.
in keeping promise.
Right.
And we're here today doing the presentation for all of that. I would thank you so much,
Amen.
Tyrone, bless up, big yourself every time. Beyond the Wall, Covenant Ministry. We're going over the wall now, overboard, Sky is the limit, so we're coming from beyond the wall and we're going over the wall right now, so we're going upwards, I will thank you so much. So, like over here, I got to do a presentation, because we have two. Come here, Bobby. so you can catch us and see as well too.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have Bobby here as well too. Yeah? Good there? Good here? Yeah, so we're good. No. Down better than No. Alright, so we're gonna make our first presentation. You know, with first Ella. We have Bobby Sachs, great Bobby, you know, who is this man that who grew up and look up to as a big man. So we give thanks to Tyrone and Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. Bobby, your first care package.
Bobby, look that side there. Look
right there, Bobby. Alright, can you manage?
Enjoy, Bobby. Enjoy.
Alright,
I'm a grandfather, you know.
So that's our grandfather.
I'm a grandfather.
And we have the Rasta man. Come here, kill away. You want to take a picture? Come kill away. Come on here, kill away. Hey, come on here. Hey, sharp pose. No, sit here. Kill away, turn around.
You want to present that one here?
Yeah?
You want to present that one?
Yeah, come. Kill away, look this way.
No, sit here, yeah.
Wait a minute, take the pan in your hand. Turn around, stand up on the camera.
Kill away, look around here.
On behalf of Covenant.
Yeah.
Look, killer, look on the lady now.
So look on the lady.
On behalf of Beyond the Walls Covenant Ministry, we want to present you with this goodie. And I hope you enjoy it. Alright? Look on the man now.
Look that way.
Look on the man.
Killer, look that
Look on the man.
Alright, killer, look one. I'll take the back. Alright then, so we'll give thanks. Also, Gracie. We're definitely going to put on our box for Gracie, the lady in Spanish Town that we visit the other day as well too. So we promised her, so we're going to bring our box as well too. So we're going to put away a box for Gracie as well too. You know, that's a lady in Spanish Town that needed the wheelchair. You know, so she's also really in need. So we're going to put on our box for her as well too. And we have Joan. Come here, Joan. Yeah. And we have another lady here as well too.
Let me.
You want to do this one?
Yeah, man.
Alright, stand up right there, Joan.
Stand up right there, sister Joan.
Right there, sister. So,
put your hand, no, turn.
Look, put your hand.
Yeah. Yes. On behalf of Beyond the Wall Ministry, we present this token of our love and appreciation to you, and I hope you enjoy it all.
Thanks, many thanks to all you and Tina. God bless you and keep you, no?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, so Esther, present one. Come. Yeah, Joan, you're good. Oh, get your soap there, Joan. Get your soap there.
Oh, come. Oh, you're going to give it?
Yeah, make sure present one.
You do it. Come round some more, mommy.
Yeah.
Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
Beyond the Wall Ministry. We present this care package for you. Thank you. You're so welcome.
So look this way and say
yes.
So,
they don't get no soap. All of them don't get soap, so they need to get the soap.
Yeah, so she get it now.
She them get one already.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Yes, alright, mommy.
Come, mommy.
Stand up right there, sir.
Yes, and stay right there. Yeah. Just speak louder, so it's Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
We get this package and we're reaching out to you with great love and honor. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anybody else?
And the man come.
Anybody else?
Yeah, we're gonna bring them one day to them. Yeah. Alright, so. Yeah. Baby, come present Thumper. Come in, Thumper. Come, Thumper. Sorry. Ready?
Him come right.
Thumper, come right at the edge.
Present this box
From Beyond the Wall.
from Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when you come. Look on the man now.
Yeah, man. Stomper.
See your soap there.
Soap.
Stomper, see your soap there.
Alright.
By the box.
Yeah, so we have the others of people, but we have to walk to them. So I don't know if you don't want to walk or what. Alright, so we can.
Press the stop record for that.
Which one is top one?
Yeah, the camera is right as well.
Oh, this.
May have about 5 more if you just give it at random, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Just give them,
Hey, sir, you want to give one out of the random? You want to give one to the random? Like give one the random ones then? Yeah, so so you just replace that one there then. So this is the random one.
A dream team thing.
And yeah, Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry and behalf of Beyond the Wall.
Repeat that. I like to repeat that big word.
You don't have to repeat that.
I like to.
Just say something, you don't have to say that.
Yeah. So it's Beyond.
We got dream team.
Yeah.
Wait, what day straight start.
Yeah. Hold on. Fires with lyrics. So him now is the walking barber in TrenchTown.
You don't tell her, let me tell her.
Yeah.
That's a surprise. You don't know
Okay.
surprise.
Alright.
You can't call this one a misprize.
Yeah.
Like what me them call surprise. Yeah. Up and ready. I said go.
Yeah.
Like 7. You know the number we favor 11. 2 of them up. Yeah, anyway, the surprise and big up the dream team and then search start. I'm a top fact search start from Kino. What a dream you have.
Yeah.
Like Martin Luther tell them. Yo, I just love do it still. You see, without love, he couldn't accomplish all that he had done. Okay? So you know it go. Dream team. And they have a dream team.
Beyond the Walls Covenant Ministry.
Okay, you hear that speech there?
Yeah.
We can't say it all, we can't speak so much.
Yeah.
We'll thank them.
Yeah.
Thank them and thank them very much because the TrenchTown and Jamaica and the people them and the youth them I look out for. You see? And when you can reach out to people, it take kindness.
Amen.
And it take
a big heart.
love, sharing and kindness. Yeah. When you can share with people, such a great thing in them festival time in them season. Yeah. Christmas. At the 28th of my birthday. You see, I'm at the barber where come anyway they come here cut.
The walking barber.
But me now going to lock up because I know them let me out back. Watch out, I'm going to one tune.
Yeah.
Alright, let's come in the tune.
Yeah.
Yeah. As them always want to know. Some people want to know who are the devil because them do bad things and don't know who name Satan. You have whole people still say them want to know God. Yeah. Well, watch my demonstration and you learn a little and get in touch with God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Them want to know who carved the style in her head. Must be the barber where heavy like lead. Watch him turn the day till all my finger head red. Blister like a hammer, lick me palm finger head. Me nah talk no little hammer, must the big roast his head. And me bust no heart trim, and me bust the weight plus. And me trim the one when name Kino head them one know who carved the style in her head. I give another verse, see? You hear me?
What the other verse?
Me put in one more verse, that's one special. We get money, me no rabbit, nah borrow, nah beg. Look, we work hard, we be own honest bread. DJ pan a mic, him the ear pan a. Me not trim for Peter Blue, not Peter Red. If you no have a manly or a rapid, nah put me hand in a young fungus.
Alright then.
Nah, done that tune, you're leading in that part.
Alright, walking barber.
You see?
On behalf of Beyond the Wall.
Alright, Poison.
You don't know, can't stop me. I go feel it every day. Yeah, my family.
Big up, man.
Don't know, no. Yeah, man, I always love you. You have some little idiot, a man I tell him friend or him nephew say him love him. Them gone the other way. But this is Kino.
Yeah.
And this is who? The Poison. So you don't know.
Yeah.
One love.
One love. Alright then. Alright then. So I'll go over there. Mr. Winston. Kilo. Come here, Mr. Winston. Come sit down.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. How are you doing?
Not too bad.
Okay, great. So we are here from Beyond the Walls Covenant Ministry.
Yeah.
You know, delivering some groceries to you.
Yeah.
You know, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. And I hope you enjoy the contents of what is in the grocery box. All right. Blessings. Let me just rest it down right here.
Put this up here.
Alright.
Is the table okay, Winston?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Sure, cut. Yeah?
Turn it around.
Turn it around, let me see. Table not look so stable, Winston. I'm going to take it off for you, okay?
Yeah,
alright, so
man.
looking at the camera, let's put your hand on top of this. And this. Okay. Yeah. Good. You want me to take it off the table for you?
Yeah, because
I don't like how the table feel right now.
Put it in a seat.
I see.
Yeah.
Alright. There you go.
Alright, Mr. Winston. Alright, all
See
the
my
best.
game, man.
All the best, yeah? Yeah, man. You're
Alright then,
welcome.
Mr. Winston. What about that lady? Same place over the next yard. Because she cannot come out as well.
Alright.
Alright. Pray if I big one more box, we go to Gloria. Liquor, we go in Gloria. We're going to save one for the lady at Spanish Town. Gracie?
Lisa, you probably name.
Alright, so come. Let's go over Gloria. Yeah. Lecture. Endo. Colors there. We're gonna knock him up. What?
Governor.
Come here, bring it in. Where the photo, man?
You coming up?
What? Am I come?
Yeah. Oh, she can't come out.
No, she can't come on.
Okay. Hi, Miss Gloria. How are you? Okay.
You want some light?
Nice to
No,
meet
the
you.
light on the car.
Yeah, we're from Beyond the Walls Covenant Ministry, just delivering some care packages. Alright, so I hope you enjoy the contents of what is in the box. Alright?
Come this
And all the best. All the best for the season. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Alright. Put the package over there, right? Alright, let's stay like that. See? Come on.
I'm gonna take off. What is this?
I have my light in my car.
Let it get fresh. I just take off this.
Alright.
Ready now?
You took one with her? Today,
Just go beside her now.
Go beside her. No.
Put your hand on it. Alright, let me.
Turn the face around. Yeah.
You
go beside her.
Yeah.
Esther, go see him. Go right behind.
Yeah, go beside her.
Go beside her.
Ready now? That's solid.
Yeah, solid. Yeah. Alright, come. Thanks.
Alright, Miss
Alright, you're good,
I
yeah?
hope this is not the last time.
Flummy, you okay?
Okay. Hold up, maybe.
On the colors around here?
Yeah, one Flummy. I pick the boy, I pick up a ground now. Come
Yeah.
here, weed bun and
You in?
Colors! Pick the colors around there?
Yeah.
Eh? So wait, and our banana this too. Our banana, these green banana, ripe banana, all these coconuts. Coconuts. That's it, you know. You now can manage it. Okay. Come here, sir. Look, come on, sir, with that.
Della, just I wanted to
So stand up right to that side of the box. Big here. Okay. Anybody can do it. Anybody. Turn the face. Yeah. Yeah. So it's beyond the wall.
Behind the wall.
Covenant. Beyond.
Behind the wall from
Covenant Ministry.
From behind the wall, Covenant Ministry. I present to you this box. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Look at it.
Oh, you take it. Come on.
Beyond, not behind, beyond.
Yeah, man, I say it.
Good?
Come forward now.
Come.
Right. That good.
I present this box to you from behind the wall.
She's a mother?
No.
Oh. Hello. She can watch me, she know me. You know. Yes guys, so we have to give thanks to Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. You know, for who that? Okay, up so? Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry.
Here, copy here. Like one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
The most man. You have the video. We get the main home.
See already.
Don't worry yourself.
Look this side, look this side.
Come out of the picture. Let me get the picture with the man. Stop. So look. Only look. You get it perfect. Let's see behind the wall.
Yeah.
Come Aria, come right up there. Hug me up, Aria.
Come, Krista, come.
Alright, you want to take it? You come now, let me present it to you.
Okay, she's not shy now.
As a surprise to you, you don't know when surprise are coming. That's why it's a surprise. Yeah, on behalf of the Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry, I present this token of appreciation to you, and I hope you enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, that's it. Yeah, man.
So we
the next one them there.
Give
them, bring them come and give them.
Come in.
Bring them come and give them.
Why give them out of that, my done them?
Come pretty girl. Come. No, let me present it.
Yes, if we present it, we get it. Thank you very much.
I'm presenting this gift from Beyond the Walls Covenant Ministry to you, and I hope you enjoy all the goodies that is in there. Yeah. Next.
Blackie, come here. Come back to your photo. Look away, look away. Come in, Krista.
Yes, I present this token of love.
Hold on there. Cookie, hold on there.
It's a record, you know. Yeah. I present this token of love and appreciation to you, and I hope you enjoy all that is in there. Thank you so much for participating in whatever we are doing.
Thank you too.
Man, we are now a team, you know. We are now one team.
Should we get one already?
Dream team.
One?
Where's the other one?
Hey, get one for free.
Give them the soap. Bathing soap.
You print You can put the soap.
Yes. I present this token of love and appreciation to you. Yes, we are now from Beyond the Walls Ministry. We are now link up Dream Team, Kino team. Yeah, we are now one team. We are not divided. We are unified as a team. Bless it. In Jesus' name.
Look this way, look this way. Frame.
Look that way, look that way, look that way. Yeah.
Alright, so we'll give time.
Yeah.
One team, we went
Let's send for one. How much longer? Bring one from two.
Ready, sir? Yes. I present this gift to you till here. I hope you enjoy it. We are now a unified team between us and the Dream Team. It is from Beyond the Walls Ministry, and I hope you enjoy it.
You know what's on the wall. Alright, so
yeah, man. You know.
Alright, so get the man down as a pre.
Yes, sir, yeah, man. It's now a team, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. No more longer you alone. Yeah.
We're a team.
Yeah, man. It take
with
a
our
arm,
extended family.
One man don't fight war, you know. It take an army, you know. So we are now becoming an army. Because we join up. You understand? Sir. So that's the thing. The blessings from Beyond the Walls Ministry.
Yes, man.
Blessings.
Every time.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Nice to
so no, it's not the last.
No, man. More work to get done.
Yeah, man.
You know, so the journey don't stop.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You know, I will give thanks.
Yeah, man. Bless you.
I might say one more. Go on.
Project advice. Present it.
Beyond the Wall
Covenant Ministry.
Covenant Ministry.
Look this way.
Alright, so we'll give thanks. So
Alright, I know long, I tell you what.
yeah, man.
Take care of yourself, brother.
Alright.
And as you say,
yeah, we just collect the two of them in the van.
Yeah, man. Blessing, pretty girl. Blessing.
Yeah, Mother Teresa, greet them because them are going. Jella. People, greet them and go.
Oh, up the man. Up the man.
Yeah, none of them.
Big up yourself.
Yes, sir. I say go. So,
oh, you want to baby? Jenna.
Yeah. You tell us now you're up now. Oh, this is a different one.
Yeah, different world baby.
Seems so much box up here, sir. A couple of them line up.
Alright, come.
Blessings.
Yeah, man. Blessing, brother. Blessing, man.
Alright, then, yeah.
This side, man. Cool, man.
Right, that's it.
Kino. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Video should
yeah, man. That's our.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No problem.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, man, so we have to give thanks to Beyond the Wall Covenant Ministry. Thank you so much for teaming up with the Dream Team, you know, helping out the less fortunate here in TrenchTown, you know, so it means a lot, you know, no matter how small it is, you know, we are grateful. I would thank you so much. You know, Tyrone, bless you and big up yourself, you and your wife as well. You know, so we'll give things. Yeah, I'm gonna give you back 2. Alright, once more.
One more time.
Yeah?
Bless
Drive
you.
good, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Bye,
Guidance.
team.
Team.
Bye, bye,
Dream
bye.
team.
Dream team.
Dream team.
Man said dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Yeah, man.
Love. Banana.
Where you get that team from?
Slogan?
The dream team.
The one team.
And then one team, dream team.
It's a slogan, it does come up, you know.
Alright, sir.
You know, it's been, you know, it come up to normal with us a dream team. It becomes a rhythm.
Yes.
Because we do music, you know, so it's rhyming.
Alright.
You know? Dream team, one team. Alright.
Yeah, man, that's our word, brother.
Let me get 2 of the banana now, man. My eye on the banana, man. Sure. Thank you. So I give thanks from Beyond the World Covenant Ministry for 2 banana.
Our shiny banana.
Alright, so.
Thank you.
Oh, what's your point? The one, right? Get him. We're going there. Setting a radio. So bring it in. So we give thanks for Beyond the World Covenant Ministry, you know. We thank you so much, you know, for everything that's been doing. You know, it's great work, teamwork, the dream work, you know. So we're just dropping off this box here for Scanner, for Philip. You know, Philip is a man, he's the man that I've been cooking and sharing with him and Scanner, so this will go a long way. Yeah man, this will go a long way, you know. So this is Philip. Philip will bring a box here for you, you know, from Beyond the World Covenant Ministry, you know, giving out some boxes, so care package of groceries, so that's for you.
No, thanks, yeah. May God bless you.
Alright then, so good chance. So a Merry Christmas, yeah?
Yeah man.
Alright then, so rush it down for you.
Carlos.
Alright then, Philip, so take it easy, yeah?
Yeah man.
I know you always cook and you scan and you eat, so you're the right chef, yeah? Alright then, so
You might get dinner.
You might get dinner?
Yeah man.
Always.
I'll to them, go fish and rice.
Fianim.
See
there, so you say you cook fish and rice for you and scanner. Always. Respect man, yeah?
Yeah man.
Alright then, bless you. Alright then.
Where is it?
Yeah man, so that's Scanner Pari, best friends, so them always share things together and everything, so you know Scanner, even a cook, so always Philip is the one that's been cooking, you know, so it's been a while we haven't given him anything, so we'll just make it our best interest to make sure him get one of those boxes, so we'll give thanks, you know. Yeah, Jenna. Yeah. Alright then, so Merry Christmas, yeah?
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year, you know?
Happy New Year.
Yeah man, Kyle will soon come back, yeah?
Alright then, good, yeah?
Yeah.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil,
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.